Good day. The radius of a circle is increased by 25%. By what percent does the area of the circle increase? Firstly, let's write initial area, just pi r squared. Then our radius was increased by quarter. R plus r times 25 over 100 or 1 over 4. 4 over 4r plus 1 over 4r will be 5 over 4r or 1.25 r. Then the new area will be pi. Instead of r, we will write 1.25 r squared. Please don't forget to square 1.25 also. We will have pi times 1.5625 r squared. Now let's write proportion. Pi r squared, it is 100%, and pi times 1.5625 r squared, how many percent? Cross product, when we multiply by 100, we will have 156.25 pi r squared divided by pi r squared. These are cancelled and we have 156.5%. If it was 100 and then it became 156.25, increase was 56.25%. The length of a rectangle is increased by 20%. The width is decreased by 20%. Increase, decrease. Which of the following accurately describes the change in the area of rectangle? Here we will write initial area of rectangle. Some length L and some width W. Area will be L times W. Then L was increased by 20%. L plus L times 20 over 100. Cancel 1 over 5. 5 over 5 plus 1 over 5 will be 6 over 5 L. Or 1.2 L. For the W, it was decreased by 20% minus W times 20 over 100. 5 over 5 minus 1 over 5 is 4 over 5 W or 0.8 W. Let's find the new area. Initial, let's say final. Length is 1.2 L. Width is 0.8 W. It is 0.96 LW. Let's write proportion. LW, it is 100%. 0.96 LW is what percent? Cross product, 0.96 times 100 will be 96. LW we divide by LW, cancel, we have 96%. It was 100, then it became 96. So it was decreased by 4%. Decreased by 4. The force of attraction between two particles can be determined by the formula above, in which F is the force between them, R is the distance between them, and Q1 and Q2 are the charges of the two particles. If the distance between two charged particles is doubled, resulting force of attraction is what fraction of the original force? Initial force is this one. We should find final force. But firstly, let's substitute instead of r, 2r, because the distance was doubled. 9 times q1 times q2 over 2r squared. Please don't forget the brackets. We will have 9 times q1 times q2 divided by 4r squared. Now let's compare initial force and final force. 9 q1 q2 divided by r squared. It became 9 q1 q2. We can write divided by r squared and also multiplied by 1 over 4. Because we need to make this form also here, and then we see that it was multiplied by 1 over 4. So the answer is B. This fraction which they ask is 1 over 4.